Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to On. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make two kinds of cream cheese frosting. We're going to make a pineapple cream cheese frosting and the chocolate cream cheese frosting. Oh yeah, baby. And it's going to be the bomb.com. All right, you ready? Let's go make some cream cheese frosting magic in my southern kitchen. All right, in my bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter, and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. And we're going to cream all this until it's nice and fluffy. All right, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of pineapple extract. And blend all this until it's nice and well combined. Okay, my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that I sifted. And blend this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our cream cheese frosting look like, nice and creamy. Alright, that looks great. Next, for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, and I drained all the juice. And we're going to fold the crushed pineapple in. Alright my friends, there you have it. Pineapple cream cheese frosting. Don't it look good? And look at all the pineapples in there. I can smell the pineapple extract too. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside and we're going to work on the chocolate cream cheese frosting. Alright, in my bowl I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 stick, which is half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. I'm going to cream these until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and blend this until it's nice and well incorporated. Okay my friends, next we're going to add in a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder that's sifted. And blend this in. Alrighty my friends, while the mixer is on low, we're going to slowly add in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted. And blend the powdered sugar in. Alright my friends, there you have it. Chocolate cream cheese frosting. Look how nice and creamy that looks, and it smells chocolatey up in this kitchen. Alright, that looks perfect. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!